Alright you guys, I'm so excited, so let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to show you the second Aprés Gel X Neutrals collection. They dropped 5 new colors and I have them all here for you. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. And if you guys don't know about the Neutrals collection, it's just full cover tips that are colored and they are sheer enough for the light to penetrate. And this is a one-stop shop because you just put them on and you're good to go. The first color, it is Emma, and I got it in natural coffin short. All my tips, I got them in short, except one, I got them in extra short. So this is like I said, the coffin short, and it is a beautiful light pink shade, and this is the way they look. This shade is so pretty. It's more like a peachy undertone. The second shade, it is Chloe, and this shade is so pretty. This is, I got it in natural stiletto shorts, and this is a light pink peachy shade. This is how that shade will look on my skin tone. Hopefully the camera is doing it justice, but it's a super light pink, so pretty. And next shade is called Margaret. And this is another dusty like pink color. It's more on the deeper end. It's so pretty. Let's go ahead and pop one on so you can see how it looks on my skin tone. This one definitely pulls a lot more pink on me because it is more of a pink color, but it's such a pretty color. Like I said before, all you do is put top coat on it and you're good to go. Especially if you get their heavenly top coat and you put it on top. Yeah. So that's Margaret. And this is what they look like. That's Margaret, Chloe, Margaret and Chloe. And then this is Emma. So you guys can see the different shades. Hopefully you can see it. And this is Emma. This is Emma. This is Chloe, and this is Margaret, as you can tell. Super pretty. The next shade, it is Imani, and I like to say this is more of a like a light chocolate shade. It's definitely more on the mauve side, but not as mauve as the first shade from the first collection, which was Mia. So this is the way this color looks on me. This is like a perfect nude color for me. I think it's not too light, it's not too dark. It's a super pretty color. And that's Imani. And the last shade that I'm so excited about is this one right here. It's called Whitney. I got this one in natural almond shorts, and this is a milky white shade, you guys. Look at this. These are so pretty. You could do so much with these. You could do milk bath nails, like you could put the heavenly gel top coat on it. These I feel like are perfect for like a bridal look. Anybody getting married, I think is such a pretty color. Like look at that color, you guys. It is gorgeous, okay? Like super pretty. This is definitely my favorite. Like I'll definitely be probably repurchasing this one. So now I'm gonna show you all the colors next to each other so you can see how pretty these are. Okay, here are all the shades. Super pretty. Okay, so I'm also gonna I'm gonna show you the previous collection so you can see the difference. Okay, so these are the new shades up here on the top, and these are the previous release. As you can tell, still in the neutral family, but they're very similar but different at the same time. Hopefully this lighting is giving it justice and you can see the difference. I feel like on camera, this one kind of look the same, but they're all different shades and undertone. And hopefully the camera is picking it up for you guys. So yeah, there you guys have it. The new neutrals collection. I will definitely be doing a video on the Novus Extend Gel, which is a solid gel for beginners. And I'll also be placing an order for the Heavenly Top Coat, so keep an eye out for that. And I will also be doing designs using all new shades as well. So if you're interested, make sure you comment down below, you like, and you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.